Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 15. The instruction here says choose the word that best completes the following sentence. And the sentence says the manager was not in when Ado called, so he left his dash card. The manager was not in when Ado called, so he left his dash card. A. Supplementary. Supplementary simply means in addition. So is there anything like supplementary card? Do we have anything like supplementary card? The option B. Complementary. Complementary simply means something that helps the other. Then option C, complementary. Complementary, yes, simply means the art of adding a remarks, maybe remarks, or let's say remarks. The option D say identification, that is the art of proving to be the same, that is identification. So option B and C sound alike, complementary, then they belong to the same grammatical class. They are both adjectival word in English. So when we talk of complementary and complementary means something that assists or that help the other. Then but when we compliment somebody, oh, you are looking beautiful, you are looking good, you are looking gorgeous, that is complimentary remarks. Then that takes, then when you say rice compliment beans, yeah, you get it. That is when you are using this. So when we now talk of compliment, that the manager was not in when Ado called, so he left his complimentary card. Then option C is correct, complimentary card. So we can say complimentary